March 2, around 11 o'clock. So my dad was complaining about this heater. I installed this, let's see, 2022, 3 years ago. And the heater itself, or the temperature control, is not being managed. It just gets hotter and hotter and hotter until the fuse trip. So typically the problem has to do with the temperature sensor itself not working properly. So we're gonna take this apart and figure out what's wrong with it. So this is the inside of the water heater. You have the intake, and then you have the heating housing. So there's a heater inside this housing, and then out come the hot water. So we're just going to take a look at the sensor here and clean it, and then test it after water. So we're just simply going to clean it gently, because if we don't, the bead could be broken off. So this is the temperature sensor. It was surrounded with or encrusted with rust. So I used a knife to clean the crust, and then wipe it with a cloth and just make sure that all of the crust are gone. So that's now I'm going to check this one too, because that's also a temperature sensor. So I'm going to put it back. It has to be fully clean for it to work properly. So I took off the support and then just pull it out. And as you can see, it's crusted, and that needs to be removed so that it will start to work properly again. So both sensors are installed back and cleaned. And now I'm going to put it back together and test the water heater. So we're going to turn it on. And then it's set at, I don't know where it's set at. And now I'm going to turn the water on. And let's see what the temperature is like. I set up at 37. It no longer overheat. When the thermistor or sensor was wrong or heavily crusted, it cannot detect the temperature of the water properly, so it would overheat. Now the water is hot. So that's how you, when your water heater is not working properly, where it trips the fuse, and it's not controlling the temperature, that's what it does. The sensors are heavily crusted, they need to be cleaned. So thanks for watching.